What is up, you guys? Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just got back from the hardware store. I picked up some flux and another copper fitting that I needed. I tried several times to get it cleaned up and threaded on properly, but it wasn't happening. So you know what's the next best option? Cross thread. I put plenty of thread tape on there, and we're gonna try to bridge that connection. Hopefully she holds. This is what I'm worried about leaking, but we're gonna get her all soldered up and see what happens. Now that is probably the ugliest solder job the world's ever seen, but hopefully it'll hold. That's all that matters, right? Alright guys, it's the moment of truth. I'm tired of waiting. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the valve and see what happens. Nothing yet. Alright guys. About 15 minutes later, she's holding. And with the power of cross thread, that's a job well done. Alright you guys, back out here working on Project Barn. So majority of what I've been doing lately is just thinking. And I've been stuck in my head and it's time for action. So first things first, we're gonna try to jack these two beams up using this cross member right here so I can get the rest of this board ripped out of here. The door is ordered. I went ahead and ordered a steel double door from Menards. We will be putting it all the way in this corner right here. So when you come in this door, you look to your right. The main door will be on the left here, and then you can open that if you need to go access up the stairs. And we might do something different with the stairs in the future. I just like that idea of the door being right here. So the rest of this will be a solid wall. I opted out of pouring concrete. It doesn't make sense. I'm just gonna have to put wood on top of the concrete anyways. So I might as well just put the wood over these blocks, which are actually already level. But yeah, let's go ahead and jack this up and get that last board out of there. Alright, so I was able to jack up these two beams using the trusty Harbor Freight floor jack. But as you can see, she's off the ground. I can slide a new 2x8 underneath. We'll fasten this down using some brackets. I was planning on cutting this beam about right here and replacing the rot, but I'm not sure what I'll do on that just yet. But this beam is trash, so we're gonna take this one out. Boom! we are on our way to the lumberyard right now to pick up what we need to start framing in the wall. I think I'm gonna do it in 2x8x8s. I was gonna do it in 12-foot sections, but that's just a little bit too long to work with. An 8-foot will be a little bit more manageable, and it's more than necessary. I'll just try to add as much structure as I can, and hopefully I can take some of the load off of the beams. But basically, I'm gonna do the main outline in 2x8s. And then the rest of the framing will be done in 2x4s. The reason that I'm doing that, before the framing was like inset in between those beams, but I just want the metal to be one flat wall. Also, I already have all of the 2x4s that I'll need, so that saves a lot on cost. Got the lumber. As soon as I got here, one of the drivers got into it with somebody here, and there's some kind of drama going on, but other than that, good experience. I did bring a ratchet strap, but my mounting points are too high, so it's not gonna do anything. We'll just take it easy and hopefully we don't lose anything. That was $80 in lumber so far. Doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What you up to?
Just out here pouring some gravel on these holes.
Oh, nice.
Where I put the 2x8s down.
Yeah.
Look who it is. We have the plastic woman. I think you've done most of the plastic out here.
I think I have to. Even on the outside. In the winter and sleeting snow.
Yeah, we got video proof for that. Got to get that vapor barrier. And then we're going to put the treated 2x8s down on those cinder blocks, which are already level. You have a question? What?
Do you want this to be one sheet of plastic all the way down?
Sure. That'd be better.
Yeah, it would. Did they have treated lumber back then when they made this barn?
Google says treated wood has been around for nearly 70 years.
Just shy.
Yep.
30 years.
Yep.
YouTube. Do they know?
Who?
YouTube?
What?
About your chainsaw accident.
Oh, no. Well, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Made a lot of progress, mostly in my brain on how we're gonna finish this. So we're on the home stretch. Things gonna start getting done, and I'm gonna start on that end while I'm waiting for my door to come in. But we got most of the hard stuff figured out. We'll go ahead and cut that beam and put that wood pin in tomorrow, hopefully. Thank you all for watching. If you made it this far in the video, appreciate your support.
Stay tuned. It'll be finished.
Hopefully. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.
Woo, 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 woo. Like, comment, and subscribe. There we go. Peace.
Later.